Hey guys, hope you're having a good evening here. I was actually just wanting to hang out and look at Ethereum and look at the charts that we have on the website. And I thought, why not just record a video? Because I want to look into Ethereum here and see, what we can expect maybe over the next 48 hours. So I want to kind of just dive in and look at some analysis if you guys want to hang out with me. Currently, guys, we're sitting at 102 for 102, 200 for 200. Actually, I think we will hit 200 for 200 this year. Bull market turnaround is not, I don't think it's too far away, and we could definitely see that. So we're currently at 102 for 102 wins. In the second half of the video, I'll show you guys how to get into our trading program to trade with us, take all of our wins, get into our, membership, Telegram, all that good stuff. So we'll go over that in the second half, but I want to go into the analysis first. So I've kind of got a split screen here going on. If you guys don't know this, we actually redesigned the entire website today. It was so awesome. I'm having so much fun playing with this. So if you guys go to the front page and you scroll down here, all the coins you see on the front page of our website, tradeconfident.io, they link up to the coins that we cover on this channel. And they're all the coins that we actually trade with on Coinbase over here. So we're sitting at $133,000, $150,000 is our break even, just so you guys can see this here transparently, okay? So we're still doing very well, and I want to go over Ethereum. So what we're going to do here, we want to open up the charts over on tradeconfident.io. So let's open up Ethereum setup, and we're going to be going through this. Let's start with this. Let's take a look at the price versus the money flow and take a look at the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. I want to look at this because this tells me what retail traders are looking at. Right now, the RSI, stochastic, and MACD, out of these three indicators, we're looking more bearish than bullish. And if we look at the moving averages, we're kind of getting I think retail traders are kind of confused about this. They're like, oh man, are we going to go up? Because we're obviously in an uptrend here, but we're overall in a downtrend. So which way are we going to actually go? So I'm not putting too much weight on this. I want to look at the metrics here to see if they can give us a better indication of what we're going to be seeing coming. Okay, price versus money flow, the trend exhaustion. These are two indicators that we coded here. Sorry, I just had to turn something off on my phone. These indicators are what we use to call the tops and the bottoms. I saw this printing out here the other day. Trend exhaustion pushing in the top red section here. Money flow got high as well. And I was just looking for a drop down. We definitely got that drop. And we may be getting a little break and a retest here to possibly see a break up here into and around this descending resistance line, which could push us up to around the $3,200 mark. So we'll be assessing that in this video today. I want to look at this now. Real quick, guys, if you guys want the price versus money flow and trend exhaustion, all of our indicators, they're in the description. I pinned it to the first comment of this video down below, as well as put it in the description so you guys can see that. But overall, we're kind of pushing down. We already saw the drop. This already called the drop very nicely for us. And now we're sitting in the neutral section here, waiting to see if we're going to get a bounce. Let's come to the website over here. You guys get access to all this with your membership, and we'll go over that in a second here. But 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these have all updated and will be updating. Before you enter or exit a trade, check these metrics, guys. Seriously. They will accelerate your trading knowledge and earning potential. This is what I use. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I believe we have one of the healthiest accounts as well. So let's take a look at this. So this is updated. These are as of today, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning, they updated. And it's the daily time frame, so this doesn't move too much. These are very, very accurate. Then tomorrow, they're just going to update again for everyone. So we're sitting in the excited area. This move up here is getting retail traders excited. So here's what I'm feeling tonight. Because our two indicators are pushing us up here, and we saw it push up in the top section here, and we saw retail traders excited, this was a pretty easy call for a move back down in the market, and that's what we ended up getting. Coming down here, looking at long versus short trades over here, short trades are actually moving up here a little bit faster than I would have thought compared to long trades, short trades moving up here versus long trades that are kind of just, even right now. So definitely taking this into consideration here of, short trades are increasing, which tells me that people are looking to short this upper trend here. And this is why I think we're getting the break back down. Now, if we do see these short trades increase here, I want to actually talk to you guys about how this can get bullish. And I talk about it a lot now. People are going short. So we already have a party going short here. So if this market actually turns around, listen to this. If this actually turns around here, guys, and pushes back above this structure high here, and we hit, let's just say, let me get an exact, I don't know, let's pull out I think $3,000. Is that? No, we don't even have to hit 3,000. How about if we just hit $2,900? That will put people above the structure high here for where they put their stop losses for their shorts. And then that could actually start getting people on short trades just like this stopped out and then we could start seeing a really fast reversal back up here, because short trades are then going to have to partner with long trades to recover their losses. So that's a scenario that we can be watching for very closely. Trades in favor. We are still sitting down here in the neutral section, but overall, I'd say we are definitely closer to long trades. So I definitely think long trades are better to be taken right now. We're obviously in a long trade for Ethereum, and we got in at another trade down here when we injected $35,000 into the exchange about a week ago. And so this over here, this is still bullish. So I'm getting these feelings right now, like, okay, this is bearish. The emotional index is bearish. That could be showing us move down. Short trades increasing, that's bearish in the short term as well. And we're kind of just neutral here. This is showing us that the wealth institutions are looking bearish as well. So short trades coming out over here for smart money tells me that they're also looking to short this out as well. When we got this pump up here in the price, we saw this pump back up. This was right here before we saw this flash crash over here. What happened was retail traders were getting excited on this pump right there. And then actually smart money, when you guys have these metrics, you'll be able to watch this. They were shorting, and then they completely dropped the price back out here. Like, it didn't even give retail traders a chance. Also, this area right here, when we started moving down a lot, that's this area right over here. And what do you guys see happening? This is when a lot of retail traders are just selling the market off like crazy. But actually, smart money came in and bought this up like crazy and actually shot Ethereum back up here. So watch this for sure. These like metric suites that you guys get for each of these coins can be used to predict the markets. But overall, this is a bear sign as well. Support and resistance prices, I'm thinking, obviously, so we have support down here about, was it 22? Yeah, it's $2,200. So, I think we really need to be watching this area right here for a break, a retest, and a move back up to basically stop short traders out, just like I talked about in Bitcoin this morning. Dollar cost average entries, man, great metric to have over here, guys. If you're watching this, this called this right over here when we got into the bottom of dollar cost average entry. If you get another one, a green line coming out here, this will actually give you guys a really good signal to get into the market to make some money going back up. So if you guys want to hold for like 5 to 10 years, really good metric for you. All right. Taking a look at exit points here, this did come out and give us a heads up. Like, guys, that bearishness on the exit point is down here. We've also got bearishness on the well institutional smart money. That's bearish. Our indicators were bearish. All of the metrics combining together here are resoundingly telling us that we are bearish. And we're due for this move back down. So all I think we need to be watching for now, that we know that the metrics are showing a bearish trend downwards, is to see if we can stay above this ascending support line. Now, if we break the ascending support line, and if we get anywhere down to about $2,500, if we hit $2,500, we'll probably start moving back down to the structure support here. And that's where we want to watch to see if the metrics actually can pump us back up and see if smart money actually starts buying again. Because if they do, we may see one of these pumps again where we saw Ethereum actually jump up here pretty fast. So definitely be watching that. And I just think it's so much fun to have these metrics on our side now that we can predict these markets with, and they're just working super, super well for us. I want to keep this private for our subscribers, but if you guys just continue to scroll straight down this page, you will see the trade setup that I have exactly for you guys right now that has the best buy limits for you to get in based off all the metrics and to take an entry right now. So it's part of our paid subscriber plan is like you get all the metrics and you guys can scroll down here. So I'm going to keep that private, but you guys can access, you just scroll straight down on there and you guys will actually get the trade setup. I'll show you what it looks like on Bitcoin here. If you go to Bitcoin, you scroll all the way down, you actually just go straight into the trade setup, and I give you guys all the buy limits you can get into right here. It's very simple to get into, and you guys can actually take that trade right now if you wanted to, and everything's down here, and it explains how you get into it. So let's say we're talking about, Ethereum. What you're going to do if you guys are brand new, you're just going to take the amount you want to trade Ethereum with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split Ethereum into 4 different portions, $250 each. Place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow, which you guys can see right here. Obviously, we're using Bitcoin for an example. And then once your first buy limit is hit, just set your sell limit up here. Now, once that's hit up there, all you guys need to do after that is to join me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits for you guys with the indicators, as well as actually, guys, we ended up coming out and I just ended up recording another masterclass for you guys. If you come over here and you go into the masterclass trainings, you guys actually have another masterclass that I just came out with here, and I'm showing you guys, I just came out with this today, how to master your emotions and thought patterns to win more trades. And I literally go through and show you the difference between dumb money and smart money. If you guys want to watch something and really you guys want to master your emotions, watch this video right here. Again, this is for all of our members. So let me just talk about this really quick, guys. Our pricing to get all those metrics for every single one of the coins, as well as our masterclass you get into, as well as you get into our inner circle hangout where we're going to be going live on Zoom, during the month. This is going to be starting in March. Access to all that, guys, is so ridiculously cheap. We only charge $49 a month for this entire membership to access all of that. And you guys need to know this. We are going to be upping this membership to $95 a month starting February 25th. So make sure you guys do get over here and you get in here and sign up with us, because you guys are going to be able to take advantage of all of this. All of the metrics you just saw you get for every single coin. You're going to be getting all the master classes. Really, guys, if you want to accelerate your trading extremely fast, watch those master classes. And then join us on the Zoom calls when we go over that, because we're doing like some Q&As. Last but not least, guys, I want to talk about the indicators. Under the indicators over here on the website, what you guys want to do, if you want to trade with me, you guys need to get these three: the price for swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard. Those are in the description, and they're these three right here, okay? These three are going to give you guys everything you need. But if you guys want the best deal, it is actually better to get the bundle pack in the description, because this is actually going to be 82% off. Currently, our indicators are between 40 to 60% off, but if you guys actually end up getting the bundle pack, you get 9 indicators total, and you get an extra, on top of this, an extra 42% off even the individual ones here. So that's what we're actually using over here to call the drops, as you guys can see. I leave this on the chart here now because I want to show you guys the accuracy of this, because like literally when the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high here, like we are really actually able to call these drops. We called the last 35 moves. We called the last 35 moves in Ethereum with these two indicators. Absolutely incredible. So they're on sale right now if you guys want them. They're 82% off. So I would snag these tonight and just put them on your charts. You get them for life. It's not a monthly fee. You get the source code to them as well. So guys, that's it. All the links are in the description. Tradeconfident.io, and then come over here and look at any of our setups here. Go and click into anything, guys. You're going to see all the metrics right there. You guys can make trading decisions off of. And if you guys see that there's a good setup, scroll down to the bottom and you guys can immediately take that trade with really good risk management, and it shows you all the buy limits down there as well. So literally everything you guys need to enter trades or exit trades is now on the front page, and you guys just scroll through. And then if you guys want to get some really good training in and learn about what I've actually taught, my millionaire traders that I coach with, and like literally million dollar hedge funds, like multi-million dollar hedge funds, I'm teaching them these things as well, and I'm now releasing it to you guys. So have fun with that. All right, guys, that's enough. I think that's good for this evening. Basically, what I got out of this video is most of the signs are bearish, so I'm just going to be watching to see if we get a drop here. I'm definitely just going to be watching this area. If we get to 2,500 or below, I think that's where we're actually going to start seeing a nice drop. But if we break above this area of about 2,900, that's where I think we can trap a lot of short traders and actually move to the upside. So that's what I'll be watching for. It's a race between those two levels. But overall, the metrics are looking a little bit more bearish than they are bullish. So that's my sentiment right now. And so we're going to hold the trades, and we're going to see what tomorrow gives us. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing evening, and make sure you guys are getting the membership before that price goes up, and enjoy all the charts. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.